Good day, Mr. Sunshine here, Clifford T. Mitchum of Crew SWFL Solar. We're in the fantastic city of Fort Myers, going to be installing 6 ecoSPARK solar pool heating panels for this new solar homeowner. If you're interested in getting solar power for your pool, by all means, comment below, reach out to us on social media, or find us on our website, swflsolar.com, and we can get your pool heated by the sun. Now I want all of you to go forth and spread some sunshine. You'll see here that the homeowner actually has an electric pool heater that they're going to be using in conjunction with their solar pool heating. This is a great way to maximize electricity usage and the power of the sun to heat your pool. Electric pool heaters can actually add a considerable amount to an electric bill. You can see ranges of $20 to as high as an extra $200 to heat somebody's pool. This is why using solar pool heating can work great when they're used together. When you use solar pool heating in conjunction with electric pool heating, what you'll find is the solar will lower the amount of energy needed to raise the temperature of the pool, thereby meaning less electricity that the homeowner is going to have to use to get the pool to the temperature that they desire. The team at Green City Solar has the panels up on the roof and they're getting them secured down right now. We're installing on a tile roof, so a tile roof actually requires a bit more of extra hardware to ensure that the panels are going to stay on the roof. For this homeowner, we're going to be installing 6 ecoSPARK panels. ecoSPARK's panels are a next generation solar pool heating panel. The main feature that they have is this extra glazing over the center that actually increases the efficiency of the panel about 20 to as high as 30%. ecoSPARKs are a premium panel. The extra rigidity that they have due to the extra glazing that enhances the UV over the center is one of the key features that people really like. Something else they also have is a thicker manifold. This provides greater resistance to the high temperatures on a roof and adds more stability in the panel overall. Another great feature of the ecoSPARK panels is this expanding hardware. When the panels are cold or have cold water inside them, they'll contract. And then this allows freedom of movement, so that way as the water heats up, the panel can adjust for the hotter temperatures. So this attaching hardware actually slides on to the base of the panel. So this way, when the panel contracts, it's right here, and then when it expands, it can slide there. This freedom of movement lowers stress on the panel, therefore increasing the longevity and lifetime of the panel. With the increased longevity of the panels, the manufacturer actually provides a 12-year warranty for their operations. Conventional solar panels generally have a warranty of only 7 years. On the opposite end of the panel, you actually have these metal supports. These metal supports, again, slide onto the top of the ecoSPARK panel and then allow it to adjust depending on where the actual truss is of the roof. We want to make sure that we're actually hitting the truss so that way the panels can be secured in the events of high winds. The easy installation of ecoSPARK panels are a great feature in them as well. With the way that they slide onto each piece, it makes it great as an installer to actually make sure the panels line up properly with the trusses on the roof to ensure their security and make sure they are a sturdy improvement on any home. With the panels in place, the next step is to actually install the piping. And the piping for this installation is going to be black. This is for the requirement of the homeowners association. In many installations, you also see homes that use white piping. Warping can occur. It's not something that's particularly going to cause huge problems. It's just something that just needs to be understood that the piping would need to be replaced at some time in the future. What time that may be, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, nobody really knows. But as long as you've planned for it and budgeted, it'll be A-okay. What we're using in this premium installation of ecoSPARK panels are Pentair two-way valves. These valves are an upgrade to the standard ball valves that people see in average systems. In the ball valve system, if there was ever any service that was needed for the valve, the whole pipe would actually have to be cut, that valve replaced. In this case, the Pentair valves allow the ability to be disassembled so that an O-ring can be replaced, a clog or anything that might have gotten inside of the piping can actually be removed. Now the team is actually installing the piping that's going to go from the pool up to the roof and then back down the pool. This is what's going to take the cold water that's currently in the pool, move it up to the roof so we can get heated, and then let the ecoSPARK panels move the hot water back down to the pool so that you're swimming in a nice warm pool all year round. At the base of the piping here, we have a shutoff valve. This shutoff valve removes any opportunity that there could be a backflow of the system into the filter or anywhere else into the pool system other than the flow that lets the hot water go down into the pool and keep you with a nice warm pool. So right now, the team at Green City is actually wiring in the JANDY actuator. This is what's going to allow the homeowner to control the temperature of their pool from the JANDY app. One of the great features that they allow with their pool systems. So right now, Green City Solar is getting the actuator set for the JANDY system. This is actually going to wire in so that way it can communicate with the system as well as communicate with the app. Installation complete. We just finished installing 6 ecoSPARK premium solar pool heating panels. If you're interested in getting solar pool heating for your pool, by all means, comment below. Find us on social media or visit our website, swflsolar.com. Now I want all of you to go forth and spread some sunshine.